In today's video, let's see the regulation for operational readiness and maintenance. The information in this video is sourced from Solas, Chapter 2-2 Part E Operational Requirements under Regulation 14 Operational Readiness and Maintenance. This regulation is applicable generally for ships constructed from 1st of July 2002. The following subjects are covered in this regulation. First, purpose. Second, general requirements. Third, additional requirements for passenger ships. Fourth, additional requirements for tankers. Let's see in detail. Purpose. The purpose of this regulation is to maintain and monitor the effectiveness of the fire safety measures the ship is provided with. For this purpose, the following functional requirements shall be met. Fire protection systems and firefighting systems and appliances shall be maintained ready for use, and fire protection systems and firefighting systems and appliances shall be properly tested and inspected. Next, general requirements. At all times while the ship is in service, the requirements of paragraph 1.1 shall be complied with. A ship is not in service when it is in for repairs or layup or in dry dock, it is declared not in service by the owner or the owner's representative, and, in the case of passenger ships, there are no passengers on board. Operational readiness. The following fire protection systems shall be kept in good order so as to ensure their required performance if a fire occurs. Structural fire protection including fire-resisting divisions, and protection of openings, fire detection and fire alarm systems, and means of escape systems and appliances. Firefighting systems and appliances shall be kept in good working order and readily available for immediate use. Portable extinguishers which have been discharged shall be immediately recharged or replaced with an equivalent unit. Maintenance, testing and inspections shall be carried out based on the guidelines developed by the organization and in a manner having due regard to ensuring the reliability of firefighting systems and appliances. The maintenance plan shall be kept on board the ship and shall be available for inspection whenever required by the administration. It include at least the following fire protection systems and firefighting systems and appliances, where installed. Fire mains, fire pumps and hydrants including hoses, nozzles and international shore connections, fixed fire detection and fire alarm systems, fixed fire extinguishing systems and other fire extinguishing appliances, automatic sprinkler, fire detection and fire alarm systems, ventilation systems including fire and smoke dampers, fans and their controls, emergency shutdown of fuel supply, fire doors including their controls, general emergency alarm systems, emergency escape breathing devices, portable fire extinguishers including space charges, and firefighters' outfits. The maintenance program may be computer-based. Additional requirements for passenger ships. In addition to the fire protection systems and appliances listed in Para 2.2.3, ships carrying more than 36 passengers shall develop a maintenance plan for low-location lighting and public address systems. Additional requirements for tankers. Tankers shall develop a maintenance plan for inert gas systems, deck foam systems, fire safety arrangements in cargo pump rooms, flammable gas detectors. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please share with your friends, and subscribe to MarinAura for more such videos. If you have any queries or comments, drop it in comment box.